In this video you will learn how to remove an individual tooth from a dental model. Once separated, you can choose to either delete the tooth, or you can extrude the tooth to make a removable die. This will be demonstrated in the second half of this video. To begin, select the model, shift and right-click to place the cursor. Navigate to the menu and press the Draw Gum Line button. Use the G key to relocate the vertex, then left-click the vertex into position. Next, use the E key to extrude the line, again left-click to place the line. Continue this way. You may notice that the vertices are slightly offset from the model. This is correct. Here you can go right through the interproximal space. Turn the model to view the tooth from the other side. Thread the line through the hole. Continue to mark the cervical area along the gum line. In this area, you will need to place one last vertex, then turn the model to view the tooth from the other side. Use the E key to thread the line directly through the two teeth. Shift and left-click the starting vertex. This means both vertices are now selected. Press the F key to fuse the line. Drawing the gum outline is the first step in separating the tooth. This sets the boundaries for the cutting tool to separate the tooth from the dental ridge. Next, press the Mark Gum Line tab. This will solidify the outline in this area. You will now have to select a vertex which lies inferior to the contact point of the tooth. After you select the vertex, go to the menu and press the Offset Contact Line button. This needs to be done for every line you draw between the teeth, since it offsets the line away from the surface of the model. Use the E key to extrude another line. Left-click to set down the line. Continue this way, upwards, then carefully thread the line over the contact area. Remember to place more vertices in concave and convex areas. Make sure the line does not submerge through the surface of the mesh. When you get to the end, shift and left-click to select the two vertices, then press F to fuse the line. Repeat the process on the other side. Select a vertex just inferior to the contact point. Remember to go back to the Offset Contact Line button, so you can raise the line away from the surface of the model. Use the E key to extrude the line. Draw the line upwards and over the contact point. At no stage of this procedure can the line submerge through the surface of the dental model. The line needs to remain slightly offset from the surface. When you get to the end, simply double-select another vertex and press the F key to fuse the line. This step defines the boundaries for the cutting tool required to separate both tooth contacting areas. Next, proceed and press the Enclose Contacts button. This has closed off the open-ended mesh in the contact point areas. If you were to make a removable die, the cutting tool will remain like this. This process will be demonstrated in the next part of this video. For this demonstration, we will remove the tooth from the model. Continue and press the Enclose Base button. All surrounding open-ended mesh structures have now been sealed. The scene has also been set to a transparent mode to help you visualize the outcome. To finalize the process, simply press the Remove Tooth button. This has successfully separated the tooth from the model. Following this, you can use the Sculpt tool to smooth down some of these areas. Remember to exit the Sculpt tool when you are done sculpting. This concludes the first part of the video. In the next part, we will briefly demonstrate how to create a die from the separated tooth. We have gone back a few steps to demonstrate how to make a removable die from a separated tooth. At this point, we have completed drawing the contact lines between the teeth. From here, we will press the Enclose Contacts button. To continue, pivot the dental model so that you can view the model from above. This is very important, since the extrusion for the die happens in a direction parallel and away from your eyesight. From here, navigate to the Make Die tab in the Separate Teeth menu. Press the Make Die button. Turn the scene, so you can view the die from below. Use the G key to relocate the die if necessary. This follows the conventional die making process. Set your offset spacer for the die. Then press the Cut Die button. The tooth has now been successfully separated and converted into a die. With this, we will conclude the tutorial on separating individual teeth. Thanks for watching this video.